Understanding A Cunning Plan, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, a cunning plan. This video is tailored for English language learners, so we'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently. A cunning plan refers to a scheme or strategy that is cleverly devised and often secret. The word cunning implies a certain level of intelligence, creativity, and perhaps a bit of deceitfulness. It's often used in contexts where someone comes up with a smart solution to a problem, but it can also have a slightly negative connotation if the plan involves trickery or manipulation. The phrase, a cunning plan, gained popularity from the British television series Blackadder. In the show, the character Baldric frequently uses this phrase to suggest solutions, often humorously inadequate or absurd. This cultural reference has made the phrase well-known and often used playfully. Let's see a cunning plan in action. In a business meeting, someone might say, "I have a cunning plan to increase our sales by tapping into a new market." In a novel, a character plotting a surprise might think, "She devised a cunning plan to outwit her rivals." Notice how the phrase is used to describe innovative or clever strategies, regardless of context. When you use a cunning plan in conversation or writing, it's important to consider the tone and context. It can be serious, to highlight a strategic and intelligent plan, playful or ironic, especially if the plan is not particularly clever or is overly complicated. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, a cunning plan. Remember, language learning is all about exploring new expressions and understanding their cultural and contextual meanings. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use a cunning plan in your conversations where appropriate. See you in our next video.